So this is another video on how to trade or scalp V75. Now this is 21 EMA. This is 64 EMA, and this 200 SMA. Now this 200 SMA is your trend moving average. If the other two moving averages are under the other two moving averages are under the 200 SMA, then you look for sell signal only. And if the other two moving averages are above, just like we have it move above around here, the other two moving averages, they moved above around here. Okay, it's buy signal. The other two moving averages move below around here. We are on the 1 minute time frame. Let me change the color to red. Okay, this sell signal, this buy signal on the main window, and this sell signal here on the main. Okay, it's not there, it's right here where the two moving averages move below the 200 SMA, and this is this buy signal. Okay, I need to change this color to lime color. Okay, sell signal, buy signal, sell signal, buy signal. So let's take a look at one more or two more signals, still on the 1 minute time frame. This is gonna be buy signal. Just one more. This has been sell, and still another sell anyway. So you have one peeping out and then coming back for the two to be under. It's still another sell, because one peeped out and peeped in. Still a sell signal, in as much as the two moving averages came back under the 200. Where was I? Here. One came out above, and then the two now stayed under. Sell signal. Another sell signal here. Okay. So that's how to generate signal on the main chart. All right. So if that is that, you can see how the signal panned out. Buy signal here will be your entry, because your stop loss should be somewhere around here. Sell signal here, where you have your entry should be somewhere here. Stop loss should be at this high here. Now buy signal, your entry should be somewhere around here. Stop loss could be below this low or below this low. And sell signal, your entry should be the point where this goes, somewhere around here. Stop loss should be above here. So that's for the main window. And when you have this as your entry where the alignment, where you have the alignment of the two, okay, moving average is crossing down. Let's say this is our entry. This point is our entry, and stop loss is here above the external high. So the depth of entry to stop loss ratio 1:1 could give you your TP, okay, your TP1. Another ratio 1:1 could be your TP2 and TP3 subsequently. Okay, so that's that. If this is your buy entry, this is your buy entry where you have this second moving average. Okay, so you have this second moving average crossing above. This is your buy entry. Your entry will be at the close of this candle, this very candle. Your stop loss could be here, or if it is here, it will be taken out here. Or if it's here, it will be good, but you have to measure for TP from the stop loss to the entry. Ratio 1:1. Of course, just ratio 1:1 was achieved if you use this as your stop loss. Now that's that for the main window. Let's look at the indicator window one. The MACD properties or parameters, we have 12, 26, 9. Main signal color none. Okay, no level. Then let's look at the first moving average, 250 linear weight first indicators data. Second moving average is 200 linear weight first indicators data. Third moving average is 1 linear weight first indicators data. So how does it work? This is your sell signal. Here could be here, could be here. The sell signal could be here. Here could be your sell signal where the red crosses down the two moving averages. Or could be here. Buy signal here. Alright. Let's change the color to green for buy signal. Okay. This buy signal. And sell signal, let's change the color to red. Okay, this sell signal. Okay, let's just look for the next buy signal and place this here. This is a buy signal. Okay. And this is sell signal. Okay. This sell signal. Okay. So let's just stick to this as our sell signal. Let's remove this. And this sell signal here. Okay. And this buy signal. So when the red line, this red line crosses above these two moving averages, that's bullish trend. Okay. And when the red line crosses down, that's bearish. And red line crosses up, bullish. Red line crosses down, bearish. Okay, so bullish, bearish. This bullish here. and this bearish here, right here. Let me change this color to bullish. Okay, so the main window as at this point, you have the 200 here, and the moving average are above, so still look for buy signal. But the moment the moving average crosses down, like you have to cross down here, that's bearish on main window. But on indicator window, I'm bearish already started here, and you can see price dropping. And main window moving average is cupped up around here, and price still dropped extensively. Though you can see here on the indicator we run bearish, but main window is saying a bullish here, but main window is saying bearish, so there is no confluence, so you ignore this. Here, main window is saying on this area of the window, main window is saying bullish here, but you have bearish on indicator window one, so ignore until you have confluence. But now we have bearish on indicator window one, and main window is saying bearish, so you have a confluence here. So this point is a perfect point for you to enter yourself. Because if you enter yourself, the closest external high will be your stop loss. And then you can take stop loss to entry for your TP1, TP2, TP3 in line with the risk reward ratio. So that's basically that. The indicator window one signal must align with the main window signal. Like we have buy here, but 200 is above the two moving averages until we see a cross here, and it's still reading buy. But the buy here has already moved up before we can see the cross here. Okay, and then with your confirmation, but you can see a very great deal of price moving up here, and you're still waiting for confirmation on the main window. So it depends on how you are able to judge and then take your decision. Now let's look at indicator window 2 to conclude the explanation on this strategy. So looking at indicator window 2, let's first of all check the parameters of the indicator window 2. What do we have? We have just relative strength index 14 period, close red. We have level, sell if price below 200 EMA, buy if price, this price. No, buy if RS is below, sell if RS is above. That's relative strength indicator, or red line if it's below. If buy if below, sell if the red line is above. Then 60, buy if price above 200 EMA. So but how to use this is when this RSI line crosses below all the levels. As it's crossing below all the levels here. That's your sell signal. This is your sell signal. It also crosses below here, sell signal. Anytime it crosses below, sell signal. This sell signal. this is another sell signal. But the most significant is when it drops from above 62 level and the first cross below 38 level. That's your actual sell signal. When it drops from above 62, the first cross below 38 level, that's your sell signal. So these are our actual sell signal. And since then it has not crossed above, so we still sell. So that means we have to remove this. It's going to be confusing. So these are sell signal. Now, where do we have buy signal? It is from below here and it now crosses above here. So these are buy signal. And our buy signal is quite late. Quite late, because price has already completed most of its move. But let's continue to check. Now this is sell signal here. It has little or nothing to write home about this particular sell signal because price reversed immediately. Price reversed immediately around here. So it's a sell signal. Why is it a sell signal? Why is this a sell signal? Because it dipped below the 38 level. Okay, and the dip below is from above 62, it dips to 38. All right. Now, from above here, it dipped to 38, and from 38 here, it rose back to here, above 62. Now, we've been having buy signal. Now, this is a buy signal. So if this is our buy signal, this should be the original buy signal, not that late buy signal. So this is our original signal. Is our original buy signal. From under, no, not here. This is not here. These are our original buy signal. Beg your pardon. From below 38, it rose. It rose above 62. Is our original buy signal. So the other buy, this other is the late one. But this is the original buy signal. Okay. Now it rose from up below to above here. So it's our original buy signal. Is there any other buy signal? So let's just signal. So this is our buy signal on indicator window 2. These are buy signal on indicator window 1. So, and these are buy signal on the main window. But the buy signal is rather late. Okay, so it depends on how you make your decision. Now, this is our sell signal on indicator window 1. This, where do we have sell signal on the main window, and then we don't have sell signal. Where do we have? We don't have sell signal here. Sell signal here. Sell signal here. Sell signal here. 1, 2, 3. So here will be your confirmation. These two are the starting of the sell signal. For indicator window 1, this sell signal. For indicator window 2, this sell signal. For main window, this sell signal. So confirmation is around here. You can see how price dipped. So that's that for the video. Try to backtest this. back test it very well before using. See you in the next video.